Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using So Sentimental, and this is a sweet little thank you card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using So Sentimental, and we're going to be using I Can't Thank You Enough, and we are going to be using the bundle. So I'm going to start with my stamping. I have a piece of SEASIDE spray. And then I have our sentiment mounted on clear block C. And then I'm going to come in with the MISTY Moonlight ink. And I'm using my paper pumpkin square because my order has not come in with my ink yet. So I really wanted to put this together for you. All right, so just like that, we're going to come in with our big shot now. And then these are the dies from the So Sentimental bundle. And then I have another die from there and the MISTY Moonlight. All right, so we'll run that through. And now this is what we have. So we can start putting this card together. Our card base is SEASIDE spray, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of the Flowers for Every Season Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I'm just going to adhere this with the mat of MISTY Moonlight, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm so excited to get the new adhesive. I can't wait to use it. But my order should be here soon. All right, so just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with the SEASIDE spray metallic ribbon. Well, that kind of went bonkers, so let me just pull this up. All right. That's pretty good. Let me cut off these tails. Didn't realize I'd cut it so much longer than it needed to be. All right, so we'll put some more adhesive down. And just like that, I'm going to adhere this SEASIDE spray to the MISTY Moonlight. Just like that. And I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so we'll put this right here. And now I have the in color enamel dots. So I'm just going to bring those in. I'm going to use the Misty Moonlight ones. And I think I just want them here in these little corners. Well, there you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!